Morning student, let us start quadratic equation chapter 6. The equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a, b, c are real number and a is not equal to 0 is called the general or standard quadratic equation in the variable x with a real coefficient. The equation of the type ax square plus c is called pure quadratic equation. For example, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0, root 2x square minus x minus 7 equal to 0 are general quadratic equation in one variable. Okay. Solving the two equation, if the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the equation is given, the roots are minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Solving pure quadratic equation, let the pure quadratic equation ax square plus c equal to 0. Firstly, we have to remove x from x square and given it in the dividing form and x square, then it gives root plus minus c upon a. Then the roots are c upon a minus minus c upon a. The quadratic equation has exactly two roots, equal or distinct, real or imaginary. When b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots are real. When b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, the roots are imaginary. And when b square minus 4ac equal to 0, the roots are equal. Okay, these are the types of the. So, this is the question 3x square minus 4x plus 20 upon 3. Firstly, we have to multiply by 3 to all this equation and we get the value of this. Putting b square minus 4ac, this is minus 576. Then x, the value of x gives us this 12 plus minus 24i upon 12, 18, 2 plus minus 4i upon 3. Okay, so this is the form of the quadratic equation that we have to explain in the chapter. Now the next form that is in your course is equation reducible to quadratic form. Some algebraic equations which are not in quadratic form can be reduced to quadratic equation by simplification, squaring, using substitution, etc., and hence can be solved. In case of squaring, some extraneous roots may creep it in, so it is necessary to verify that the values obtained satisfy the original equation. The reducible form of the question is given that 2 to the power 2x plus 8 plus 1 equal to 32 into 2 to the power x. This is our question. Firstly, we have to simplify in this form and we get 256 x 2 to the power x whole square as well as plus 1 32 2 to the power x. Let consider 2 to the power x is equal to a. Putting a in the form of x, 2x and 2x, we have this equation, and then after this is the whole equation, and using by Sridharacharya method and using the Sridharacharya method we will find the value of this. We get 1 upon 16 comma 1 upon 16. Now putting the value in place of a is equal to 2 to the power x and 1 upon 16 is equal to x 2 to the power x 2 to the power minus 4 and x to the power 2 to the power x, then value of x is 4 and 4. This is the our reducible form of equation. Now next is, this is our next quadratic equation. Firstly, we have to reduce in the form of quadratic form Let's consider x square minus 5y is equal to 5x is equal to y. Then putting the in place of x square minus 5 the value of x, then we have to get the value this, and this is the equation, and solve properly. Find the root of the values, and then after dividing the 2 we get y is equal to 36 and minus 6. Then after putting 36 in the place of y, where we consider the y, let x square minus 5 is equal to y, then we have to put the value of 36 in the place of y, then find the value of x of both the number we get. Now the last part is nature of the roots of quadratic equation. The roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are in this form. Firstly, we have to find the discriminant. Discriminant is called delta b square minus 4ac. Is it okay? Now, first case 1. When a, b, c are real number, a not equal to 0, first delta equal to b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then the roots are equal, means real, and if delta b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. If delta b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, then roots are complex. It is easy to see that the roots are the pair of complex conjugate. Now, second case is when a, b, c are rational numbers, then delta means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. The roots are rational and equal. If delta b square minus 4ac is greater than and delta is perfect square of the rational number, then roots are rational and unequal, as well as if delta b square minus 4ac but delta is not a perfect square of rational number, then roots are irrational and unequal. They form the pair of irrational conjugate like p plus root q, p minus root q, where pq belongs to q, q is greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac means delta is lesser than 0, then roots are a pair of complex conjugate. This form is used only find the nature of the. Discuss the nature of the root. 4x square minus 4 root x plus 3 equal to 0. Firstly, b square minus 4ac, putting the value of b, c and a, we get 0 because 0 the roots are real and equal. Okay. Next, given that a, b, c belongs to q, show that the roots of equation this b minus c in bracket x square c minus a x and b minus a equal to 0 are rational. Firstly, we have to find the value of a, b, c and putting b square minus 4ac. Open the bracket and multiplied by 4 in this bracket and multiplied by minus sign, and then arrange the systematic way to find the value of a plus c. Then we get the c plus a minus 2 whole square, this is the 0. Then value of b is this, which is the required condition. This is the condition if we given the find the condition of the roots to be equal. आपको ये पता करना है कौन सी कंडीशन होगी, तो जो वैल्यू आई है हमारे पास उसको हम 0 के बराबर रख देंगे और हमें कंडीशन मिल जाएगी. तो दिस इज़ आल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ द क्वेश्चन दैट वी हैव टू. द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज रिलेशन बिटवीन रूट्स एंड कोफिशिएंट. Sum and product of the roots. Let roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Alpha is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Beta is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. If we have to, we find the sum of the roots alpha plus beta, we have to simplify these through equation, we get minus b upon a, same as it is. So we can write sum of the roots alpha plus beta minus b upon a equal to minus the coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square, same as it is. If we have to multiply both the roots, then we get c upon a. Okay, now these formulas are using in this equation. Formation of the quadratic equation when the roots are given. If alpha and beta the roots are given, then this is the formula x square minus x plus p, sum of the root and product of the root. Okay, from here you can study the chapter. This is the formula, and till here this is in your course. Okay, now I am telling you some question related to this. Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square minus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. Find the value of alpha square plus beta square, alpha square minus beta square. Firstly, we have to find sum of the roots and product of the roots. Then arrange the alpha square minus plus beta square in this form, putting all the values alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, we get the answer 12, as well as alpha square minus beta square. Firstly, we have to find alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta whole square, we get the value of this. Putting all these value, we get this type of the answer. So this is the type of the values how to find the quadratic equation if the roots are sum and product roots are given, so that we can find the value of quadratic equation.